Today we will show you how to clone BMW MSD87.2 with FC200. Open the software. Search for MSD87 in the search box and the protocol will appear. Click on it to open the wiring diagram. Then connect the ECU according to the wiring diagram. After connecting the wires, enter the ECU protocol and click Identify. The data recognized now is the ID of the chip. We'll save the backup data. One precaution when cloning the MSD with CG is that do not clone by writing memories one by one. You need to write the full backup, which writes all together. The ECU might stop communicating otherwise, because you should not copy entirely the data, but just what is needed. Now we start reading full backup data. Save the full backup of the original vehicle's data. Next, connect the used ECU, identify it, and back up its data. Save this used ECU data in order that you can rewrite the original data if there are issues later. After reading and backing up the used ECU's data, write the original full backup data into it. This is the original data of the full backup of the original car. Writing successful. Remember to write the full backup data directly instead of writing it separately while cloning the MSD series ECU with CG. That's all for today. Thank you.